Oh my God, this is terrifying. The cat owner left the door slightly open, and the cat got here. She is very scared. Let's all try to be calm. Let her adapt first. She's still very scared. It's her chance for a second life. Follow the string, little one. Let's get you to safety. Oh, everything's okay. Let's go. Don't worry, baby. You're safe now. Job's done. It's time for a new mission. Is it really walking on the edge? This kitten has little fear of people. He just saw that there is no solution. We have to save him. Just a little bit more, little one. And he's ours. Another difficult rescue mission. Right between the air conditioner. Look at her face. She's very scared. But she wants to be rescued. We lure her with a little food. Not convinced yet. Come on, baby. Oh, poor kitty. Her eyes say it all.